Live 30 days to know that there are so many skills in picking fruits. 1. Apple should choose striped yellow and transparent red. More sugar will be sweeter. Red and green are not sweet or delicious. The more layers and pits, the better. The greener the stalk, the fresher the picking time is. Choose the navel deep. The deeper the belly button, the sweeter, the more delicious. 2. The circle is the mother orange. A bit of a male orange. Mother oranges are sweeter than male oranges. The description of the fruit flattening is ripe. The fruit is a little raised, indicating that it has to be put again. 3. Teach you how to pick a watermelon. 1. Look at the bottom of the melon. The smaller the circle, the thinner the skin. 2. Look at the color. Yellow skin area on watermelon. It is caused by not being able to bask in the sun. The smaller, the sweeter. 3. Watch guati. Guati should be fresh and not dry. 4. Look at the lines. The lines of the melon should be neat and bright. 5. Listen to the sound. Puff is not a melon. Dong dong sound is a good melon. 4. Are grapes fresh or not? First of all, the pole should be thick and green enough. Secondly, the fruit body is hard enough. There are fresher ones that do not drop brains. 1 sweet on a bunch of grapes. The whole bunch is sweet. 5. Nectarines are selected with spots. The more spots, the sweeter the nectarines. The darker the color, the better it tastes. Nectarines with this beauty tip taste better and sweeter. Follow me to learn more life skills.